Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 27 beta stuck on estimating time remaining issue. So guys, if you are trying to download and install iOS 27 developer beta but it is stuck on estimating time remaining and you are unable to download it, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some useless data. Again, go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN simply disconnect it. Again, go back and now go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well, and then drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.